Can a vacation home be both fun and eco-friendly? Casiola is finding out. In this series, they continue their journey to make their homes more sustainable and want their properties to get certified according to Sustonica, the global standard for vacation rentals. Now begins the 5th episode of their journey, spreading awareness of what it takes to lead with intention in the world of vacation rentals.
Last time on Sustainability Through Sustonica, the Casiola team prevented wasting water by having the right appliances and validating their ecological functions. This time, we will be facing the community challenge, making sure that our sustainability goals reach beyond our properties into the local communities and all around the world. Community engagement is vital for us. It's not just about what we provide in our properties, it's about fostering connections with our guests and the local community. We need to encourage our guests to support local businesses and respect the neighborhoods they're visiting.
Hi, I'm Kathy Clay, and my husband and I own The Pharmacy, which is a local and organic stand here in downtown Winter Garden. There's a huge draw of tourists that come here because downtown Winter Garden is definitely a destination location. So in order to draw people in, I mean, obviously a beautiful display helps with lots of fresh things, but whenever people are here on vacation, they still need to eat, and most people are still looking for ways to eat healthy. So we provide a way for them to come here and shop locally, shopping with local farmers, getting their fresh eggs, getting their fresh produce that they can eat and that they can prepare while they're at their vacation homes. And so we do that. We also offer memorabilia like bags and shirts and things so they can take a piece of that home with them to remember their trip. So yeah, that's pretty much what we do.
When guests choose to shop at local farmers markets or dine at nearby restaurants, they contribute directly to the community's well-being. This helps keep money circulating in the area, which ultimately benefits everyone.
So we get fresh produce every week. It's turned over really quickly, so it's not weeks of transport like produce coming in from other states or other countries. We have a transport, we bring it here first thing, 3 o'clock every Saturday morning, set all this up, tear it back down, and start it over the next week. So the supply chain is the farmer, us, and here.
For the vacation rental owners and managers, accessibility and respect for our neighbors are key. It's all about making sustainable travel a real choice for everyone and keeping everyone informed about the details of where they're staying and really get to know the neighborhood.
The guidebook is a pretty easy way to improve your sustainability within the property, because there are many things you can offer or recommend to the guests. For instance, where they can buy organic local food, where they can go to a vegetarian restaurant, or where they can go that are off the beaten path sites to avoid the most crowded places, and so on and so on and so on. And this one, actually, you can create just one and apply it to all the properties that are in the same area, so it's pretty straightforward.
Sharing stories about the history and the culture of the area can also deepen their experience, making their stay more memorable while fostering appreciation for the community that they're visiting. But it's not just about listings. With Sustonica, we get the chance to collaborate with industry leaders like Travelist and the Global Sustainable Tourism Council to help us reduce our environmental impact.
What Travelist have attempted to do is to try and create a framework to make global tourism more sustainable. Within Spain, which is the country where Sustonica originates, there is a national accreditation body called ENAC, and Sustonica is third-party validated by ENAC.
Now, for those of you at home, here's a quick tip. If you want to shop sustainably, focus on local businesses. Check out your neighborhood farmers markets or independent shops. Not only will you reduce your carbon footprint, but you will also support your local economy and keep that money circulating in your community.
So it's vitally important to keep our farmers in business, that the customers who come and shop with us here, whether it be locals or tourists, that they come and that they support and they buy what's actually grown locally. Because if they don't have us buying it, this isn't available in the big chain stores. So coming to the little local market at your local place that you're visiting is vitally important as to keep them afloat and to keep them growing year-round.
When we promote local artisans and businesses, we help keep our neighborhoods thriving, creating a richer experience for everyone involved. With Casiola's commitment to sustainability, we're not just enhancing guest experiences, we're also making a real impact in our local areas. That wraps up our segment on enhancing community engagement. From collaborating with local businesses to providing information on nearby markets and attractions, let's see how we can work to create a more connected and vibrant experience for our guests.